Oh, we're having fun today. Yeah, using a table saw as a milling machine worked pretty good. I just hand file that up and clean it up a bit. Not a problem. That, I miscalculated, so that I can just break off or just use a hacksaw tomorrow. That worked out great. So I'll put this on an angle. And what I want, kind of a dovetail kind of thing. It looks pretty good, I think. What I'm doing with that, I use a block of steel here to guide it clamped to that, and this was clamped. Don't do this at home because you're not experienced. This is clamped here. Alright? Let's push it forward. Oh, sawdust down there. Oh, get the vacuum cleaner and clean it up. Oh, what's that for? I don't know. So, I'm making a motor mount. There's no parts laying around there. A motor mount for my mini lathe, which uses a pulse modulated ridiculous motor. I have to use a variable DC motor. Set that over here. We're over here, so I'll put this away. Don't do it at home. A lot of you people are not trained to do that. So what I'm doing here is simply, nice cut there too. I'm mounting this motor. Let me put this down for a minute. On that, so that's gonna fit perfect. I've got lots of clearance there. Perfect fit. So I wanted that to be inserted like that, okay? This is a variable DC motor, an AC motor. Perfect for my mini lathe. Yeah, this I'm working on too. Replacing the threads, actually. Now, let me get up. Oh, this got good threads, but the other one on the old Elgin lathes, they're worn out, so I'm going to use 3/8 National Course bolts, long bolts. Or, sorry, long, yeah, ready rod and long nuts. That'll be fun. So now I clean up. I say excellent. That was fun. What else was I doing today? Oh yeah, I was working on this guy. Testing it out, clean it up a bit, put a new fuse on together. The fuse kind of would try it out. Then I was working on this guy. The only one on Earth, as I'm told. Clean up the vacuum cleaner. So I gave it a good oiling. And as well as over there, what I do is let everything soak. I put it all over the glass because there's old rubber in there, I'm sure. So WD-40 will eventually soak and soften that up. Put it all in here. I got my extra fuse from down here. It came with a lot of spare fuses, so yeah, this is cleaning up nice. And what else I'm doing? Oh, all kinds of crazy crap. This works great. Mark 14 gun sight gyro system. And I'm looking at a system over here. An old centrifuge motor. Make an excellent let's say gyro. I'm thinking about it. Next time Matthew visits, maybe. Can have fun with that. And that's basically it. So I gotta get back to cleaning up stuff here. Yeah. Okay. You're truly. Oh. Oh, okay. I'm just wondering where everybody went to. No EVO yet, but look, it's vacuuming now. Clean that up. Oh, take all my vitamins and minerals and everything else, and off I go.